Hi, I'm ABC 10 meteorologist Tracy Humphrey with a look at your Northern California weather breakdown. We'll start things off taking a look at some of the changes we're going to be having in the valley. We do have the opportunity for rainfall and snowfall moving in. We'll also take a look at parts of the Bay Area as well as the Sierra. Outside around 2:45 in the afternoon on your Wednesday, temperatures in the 50s. We did have some sunshine earlier, but clouds are streaming through in advance of a cold front that will be bringing us an opportunity for rain and snow in the overnight. Lower 50s in Sacramento, 53 in Stockton, 51 in Modesto, 50 degrees in Marysville, and 39 degrees in Tahoe. So these temperatures are rather seasonal, and we will end the day with near seasonal highs as well. So here's a look at the regional highs: 53 for the Bay, 52 for the Valley, 49 degrees for the hills, 40 for the Sierra. The takeaway is you really don't see any rainfall coming in throughout the afternoon or evening. Looks like the bulk of that rainfall really won't get here until after midnight, which will basically lead us to early Thursday morning. So a major storm is on the way. Rain and snow expected to be moving in throughout much of your day Thursday. It will be heavy at times Thursday morning into early Thursday afternoon. Snow levels beginning around 3,300 feet and then falling to around 2,500 feet. So some of those upper foothill locations will be getting some snowfall. And then possible thunderstorms in the forecast throughout the day tomorrow for the foothills as well as the valley. The best time frame for that around 10 o'clock in the morning at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Any thunderstorms that do develop could have some pretty brief but heavy downpours as well as some small sized hail. So here is a look at the weather system that we're watching. It is a low pressure system that's denoted by that signature comma shape that you see there. Low pressure system with a cold front really attached to it. That cold front is going to be making its way through the area. And when it does, you'll see rain and snow moving into the valley and then eventually pushing into parts of the Sierra. Currently, we're looking at some spotty showers near Mount Shasta moving into the Redding area. And then eventually, again, as this system moves from the west to the east, we'll start to pick up on the action, get in on the action later on tonight and early tomorrow morning. So again, that storm system coming into play. Let's time it out for you. Here's a look at our futurecast. We'll start off with, again, clouds increasing. Here's a line of showers that will be coming in. And right now, it looks like early tomorrow morning, unfortunately, just in time for your morning commute. Do note that we do have some pockets of heavier rainfall denoted by that orange and yellow that you see there. And even a little red here. That's the opportunity for heavy embedded showers that will be coming in throughout the morning as that system moves across the state. And then again, we'll have the opportunity for snow showers coming into play as well. So it is a relatively quick moving system. And what I mean by that is by midday tomorrow, we'll start to see some clearing on the backside of that cold front. That's when the low pressure system will work in. And depending on how much clearing we get, we could have a lot of instability. And if that is the case, we could see again some of those thunderstorms developing across the area. By Thursday night, you'll see most of the system essentially wrapping up. We'll have improving conditions, a few isolated showers still in there, and still looking at some isolated snow showers for the Sierra. Eventually, that will all wrap up by Friday morning. So that is a look specifically at the valley, how much rainfall we could see when it's all said and done by this system. Close to 1/2 inch of rainfall possible in Sacramento as well as Roseville. Some slightly higher amounts up in parts of the foothills, like close to 7/10 of an inch of rainfall in Auburn and close to 1 inch in Grass Valley. Now we're going to be going hour by hour, specifically focusing in on some of the higher terrain in the Sierra. So this is around 12:30 in the afternoon. The opportunity for snow showers coming in. We'll have that rain and snow line falling pretty low, again around 2,500 feet. And you can see this one right above Auburn, which is around 1,000 to 1,200 feet in elevation. So upper foothill locations will have to be dealing with a little icing possibly in some locations as that rain and snow line continues to dance and jog up and down across, again, parts of those foothill locations. As we move into the afternoon, you'll still see the opportunity for some snow showers and Pollock Pines, also moving in through Forest Hill, just on the fringe of Grass Valley, moving into the Blue Canyon area. And then we move into Thursday evening, and that rain and snow line, again, still possible around 2,500 feet. And that's going to be the issue tomorrow, the morning commute as well as the evening commute, especially if you're in some of those upper foothill locations. As temperatures start to get a little cool in some places, we could have some icing concerns moving into the overnight. This is going to be early Friday morning, still a few pockets of isolated and scattered snow showers, and then after that, the system moves out. So with the winter storm warning in effect that begins at 6 o'clock this evening throughout the day Thursday, it will expire early Friday at 6 a.m. Travel delays and chains. How much snowfall above 3,000 feet? Well, some of the hardest hit spots could see 1 to 2 feet of snowfall. Here's a look at some isolated locations. Close to 10 inches possible at Sierra Tahoe, Kirkwood, close to 8.5 inches of snowfall possible in Squaw Valley, and close to 7 inches in Boreal. Bear in mind, we're going into a holiday weekend, so if you're looking for fresh snowfall, this is going to be it. This should be by midday Friday, close to a foot from Bear Valley Valley, Kirkwood, Sierra, Tahoe to 10 inches possible at Squaw Valley. For today, we'll have some sunshine with clouds increasing. Afternoon highs primarily in the foothills from 40 in Arnold, 51 in Jackson, 49 degrees in Auburn. As you take a look at the Sierra, afternoon high around 40 with a very good opportunity for snow showers during the day Thursday. Afternoon highs just above freezing with improving conditions moving into the weekend. Closer to the Bay Area, 52 for San Francisco, mid-50s in San Jose, lower 50s in Oakland, and then we'll see the lower to mid-50s from Stockton to Modesto to Turlock. Again, clouds increasing with the best chance of rain showers moving in the overnight early through Thursday morning, and then afternoon high around 55 for Sacramento. 10-day forecast, mostly cloudy conditions today, rain showers moving in the overnight, heavy at times for your morning commute, still lingering throughout the day with the opportunity for isolated thunderstorms. Improving conditions late Thursday night through early Friday morning. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, plenty of sunshine. Temperatures near 60 degrees for Sunday, as well as Monday. That is really ideal for this time of the year. Wonderful holiday weekend with the next best chance of showers back in the forecast for that upcoming Tuesday. That is a look again at your regional outlook at what's going on across the area. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always go to abc10.com for a little bit more on your local forecast.